Hello everybody, this is Peter the Rock. This is a unique experience here. I'm in the Riverside Museum at Blake's Lock in Reading. I say unique because I'm the only one in this part of this museum. It's in two parts, it seems to me. There's the screen house over there. It's got a few artifacts in, but to be honest, not a lot. And here is the turbine room. And as you can see, these great bits of turbine are extremely rusty. It's many years since they were used, and you're probably asking me, why is there a turbine here? What's generating it? What's going on? Or possibly not. Well, as we come into this room, there is more of a clue. Now, I don't know if you can hear this on the video, but there's a sound of running water. And there is the River Kennett, which is really quite enormous, given that it's a tributary of the River Thames. It flows into the River Thames at this point. A good friend of mine, Andrew, told me today that the River Kennett rises in Malvern, which is where he used to live and work. Now, here are bits of turbine enclosed, and no idea how it works, but I imagine this axle, this spindle, was turned by the water in some way, and then through various cogs was converted into a vertical motion. And here is just that sort of cog, but not anymore. What can you see? I'm not going to linger here because there's not a lot left of this turbine. But one last final thing I will show you, which interests me anyway, is that River Kennett is boiling away with speed as it just arrives over various piers, not piers, weirs, and the most impressive of which is in front of us now. That is perhaps the longest weir I've ever seen and or filmed. So there's considerable power, not inconsiderable power, in the River Kennett as it lurches in its own way towards the River Thames. So there we are, someone's come in now, so I'll stop filming there. But if you like, you can smile, like and subscribe. Peter the Rock, Sunday the 22nd of September. Cheers.